What's going on, traders? Welcome back to Daily Recap. I don't know about you guys, but today no trades for me again. It's been very difficult day. Again, I'm still new to this, so these days are hard for me, and I just didn't want to trade, make a mistake. Yeah, let's get into it. So I came in again 8 o'clock, and I saw this structure right here. And basically that tells me that we are in a range. On the daily at the time, the bar was very small. So to me that tells me range day. And some people had their channel like this. Where is it, like this? But I watch a lot of Thomas Wade videos, and he always says that when you're in a range, you don't really want to draw your bigger channels because they're not very reliable. He always says to draw smaller trend channels. So that's how I saw it. So basically the first opportunity to trade was probably around here. I marked it as a trap trade because you have new low, first entry short, second entry short. You don't get a good signal bar until here, this candle right here. Which does close below the EMA, and you know you get your scalp here, but the price did reverse, and basically it became a trap trade. So you could trade it basically both ways, but also it is kind of in the middle of a trading range, so you got to be cautious when trading in the middle. So price went up, and then of course you have. I drew this little trend channel here, and you have a break, and you're looking for a new high. Unfortunately, didn't work out. I didn't trade this either. It is a failed second entry long. It's ticked higher and then instantly reversed. So you would have to place your stop order below this candle, and then you probably your stop. I would probably put it maybe here, and then once this bar closes up, put it right here. But that is tricky. It is a little congested for me. That is a big bar. It's 18 ticks, so that's a little bit expensive for me. And then you have 8:45. You have news. You have a little bit of volatility here, and yeah, I didn't trade it. I just blocked it off basically. And then price reversed and went all the way up, and you have a break and a new high. Again, there's no setups here. There's nothing that I saw that I like. You have a second entry long here, but the signal bar is not good. And the price just kind of chopping along. And then I saw that there's a one leg here, and then most likely give me a second leg here. Major move. We didn't quite get it, but it's okay. Again, there's no really setups here. No higher lows, no second entries. There's a second entry short here, but it doesn't set up very good. It's just unfortunate, but it is what it is. And then again, so you have basically a break, and you're looking for a new high. You never get that. There is a second entry short here. It's a nice trade, nice setup. Signal bar is 15 ticks. It's a little bit up there for me. And again, you have a short-term uptrend working, and you have a break and new high played out. So good trade. I didn't take it, obviously. And then you have basically a second entry long here with a doji signal bar, and you also have a second entry short as well. Again, it's all a little congested. Dojis, I don't like that. I skip it. There's no setup here. You got a break in new low, price reversed, and then you get a first leg, and you have basically a second leg. And then I have this trend channel working this way. Again, it's a bigger trend channel. I didn't really I just put it there for me to kind of keep an eye on it. So there's no lower highs here. I wish there was, but unfortunately there's not. And then basically price moves down, and then here it gets a little tricky again. You have a new low, first entry low, short, pull back, second entry short. If you went short on this candle, you would never get filled because price just reversed instantly. So it is a failure. The problem with this is the bar doesn't close above the EMA, but it is very bullish. You're still expecting a new low from this channel, but it is a little bit aggressive. If you saw it and you took it, that's great. Again, for me, it's just too aggressive. And then here is basically a visual second entry short, meaning if you just don't pay attention to this, so you have new low, first entry short, and then second entry short with a nice signal bar. It does confirm this trend channel here. Fairly decent size bar, 10 ticks. Again, this is more advanced, but if you take this, that's great. Nice little runner here. And then here gets a little tricky as well. So I had my channels like this. Some people had it like this. You had it like this, you get a second entry short right here, break and new low expected. Unfortunately, it doesn't work. You may be able to get a scalp out of that. What is that? 1 point. Maybe you get out. I don't know. But I had my channel like this, and to me, that's a break and new low played out. So basically, I didn't take this. I didn't want to take this, and it's a little bit congested here and here as well. And of course, you get basically almost two legs again up to the top side. But notice also this trend channel here. It's almost like an overshoot here, meaning that the price will probably go back to the other side and do the same thing. So you finally get a break of the bigger quote-unquote channel, and you get a failed second entry long. You're still looking for a new low of the bigger channel, so you do get a nice little scalp out of that. The problem with this is the EMA is a little bit flat, so you gotta be cautious of that. And then now we're just chopping. We're chopping. Little range here. You do get a second entry short here. Notice new low, first entry short, second entry short. Signal bar is not good, but you do get a lower high confirming the second entry short basically, and you get a nice little scalp. And then after that, you get a failed second entry long, which again, not a great setup, but to me these are doji's bars, neutral bars, and you're going short into recent lows, so you don't know if it's gonna go long or go reverse or go short, so you don't know that. But yeah, so now you get a break a new low, and then now you have a little bigger channel working. And that's pretty much what I saw today. Yeah, very difficult, just very unclear price action. I didn't want to risk it again. Just 2 days in a row I didn't make any trades, which kind of sucks, but you know what they say, no trade is better than a losing trade, right? So I hope you guys had a good trading day. Hope you got some winners. Be safe and trade cautious, and I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.